Now we have to start with book back question in thermodynamics. 19th one, right? 6.19. There is a reaction given. Two A gaseous state plus B, 2 moles of A plus B, 1 mole of B reacting 2 moles of B, all are in the gaseous state. And delta U naught, standard U is change in what? Anyone? What is standard U naught? What do you mean by delta U naught? Yes. What does it stand for? Delta S naught, delta U naught. U represents what? Rajesh?
Internal energy.
Then why you're not telling? Change in internal energy. Del S is, what does this stand for? Yes, entropy change, isn't it? You are asked to calculate del G naught for the reaction and predict whether the reaction may occur spontaneously or not. How will you predict from delta G naught? How can you understand whether a reaction is spontaneous or not? Anyone? Last class we discussed this. How should be the value of del G naught in order to say whether the reaction is spontaneous or not? What is the criterion for spontaneity of a reaction based on del G naught? Change in free
should be negative.
Yes, change in free energy del G naught should be negative for this reaction. Then only we can say it is spontaneous, right? So del G naught, if you are getting negative, if del G naught is negative, then we will say the reaction is spontaneous. Otherwise, we will say it is non-spontaneous. If it is positive, we will say it is non-spontaneous. If it is equal to 0, we will say reaction is at equilibrium. Okay. So let us first calculate what is the formula for del G naught. Del G naught is equal to del H naught minus T delta S naught, isn't it? Now we have only del U naught. From del U naught, how will you calculate del H naught? Remember the formula? Del H naught is equal to del U naught plus
Del N
RT delta N, isn't it? Del U naught is minus 10.5 kilojoules. It is given in kilojoules. So you multiply this by 10 power 3 because R value will be in joules that we will be using, right? 8.314. What is the temperature? If it is standard thing, temperature is 298 Kelvin, 25 degrees centigrade. So into 298 into del N is change in number of moles of gaseous products. Number of moles of gaseous products minus reactants. So it is del N is 2 minus 2 plus 1, 3. Isn't it? Reactant side we have 3 moles. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Right? So substitute and find out. This will come as 10,500, isn't it? Plus this one. This minus will come, plus into minus will become minus. So minus, multiply 8.314 and 298 and tell me what is the answer. 8.3 14 into 298. 2477.57 is coming. So you'll say 2477.58. And round it off, or you can write 2477.6. We can write. So now add these two. 10,500, 2477.6. When you add, what will you get? 0.677912,977 minus 12977.6 joules. That will be del H naught. Now, how will you find the del G naught? Next step is, first step we found del H naught because it is not given. Using del U naught, we found del H naught. Now, using del H naught and del S naught and the temperature given, we have to find del G naught. Del G naught is equal to del H naught. Already I have written the formula. To substitute the values. Del H naught I will substitute here. Minus 12977.6 minus temperature is 298. Delta S value is negative. Minus 44.1 joules per Kelvin. So minus 44.1. So minus into minus will become plus. Minus 12977.6. What is the product of 298 and 44.1? Tell me. What value are you getting?
One 13140.
13141.8 I am getting. 298 into 44.1. 13141.8. Is it correct?
Yes.
13141.8. So what should you, this del S is bigger number, no? T del S. So what will be the del G naught? Del G naught is going to be positive now. 13141.8 minus 12977.6. So what will we get? 2, 3. This one will be 13 means 6, 0, sorry, 1. So will I get, what is the answer? 69 now. 60. 64.
164.2.
164. Yes, 164.2 joules. It's coming as a positive value. So what will we say? Since del G naught is positive, this reaction is non-spontaneous. It's not spontaneous. Means it cannot happen on its own. We should supply some energy in order to carry out the process. Clear? Are you able to follow the steps? First, we have to del U naught. Using del U naught, we have to calculate del H naught. Using del H naught is coming as a negative value. Using del H naught in this expression, we find del G naught, and del G naught is coming as a positive value. So this is the del G naught value. So this reaction is non-spontaneous. Clear? Copy down fast.